Good afternoon, dear children. I hope you are all keeping well. Let's go on to learn our new lesson number 8 in Balbharati, a great leader. Before we go on to the lesson, I'll tell you a little bit about our great leader Gandhiji. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is one of the greatest leaders of all time. He is the father of the nation. He freed India from the British rule. There are many qualities that Gandhiji had that made him an exceptional leader. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. The other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles or bombs. And yet, he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, father of the nation. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. If he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. One day, he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. The meaning of iron will means a strong will, a man with a strong will. So Gandhiji was a man who had a very strong will, and when he decided something, he would follow it. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. That is, not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a loin cloth, a dhoti worn above the knee, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy, fashionable clothes? Of course he could. But this simple loin cloth was a deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? Simplicity means being very simple. Non-violence, it means not to have a fight between each other, not to be violent with each other, rough with each other. Loin cloth means a dhoti worn above the knee. A cotton cloth made as a dhoti to be worn above the knee. Deliberate. Deliberate means planned, done on purpose. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour to Odisha. Usually, men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On many inquiries, Gandhiji found that people in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent thing to wear. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear minimum of clothes, be it cold or hot. He never changed his simple dress. The meaning of decent is moral behavior or respectable moral behavior. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. The meaning of conference is a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. The meaning of reception is a formal social occasion held to welcome someone or to celebrate an event. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way. Even when visiting the King of England, he would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, as long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. The meaning of represented means entitled or appointed to act or speak for someone, especially in an official capacity. The meaning of bothered is worried. And approved means given the sanction to do something. Approved. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for the meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. The meaning of extravagantly means in a way that costs a lot of money. Here it is portrayed as the king was dressed very extravagantly, means his clothes were very costly and he was overclothed. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. The meaning of destructive is causing damage to something. Staunch means people were firm and loyal in following someone. Staunch means to be firm. Then suppress. Suppress means to keep hold on, to be prevented from doing something. And Satyagraha is a war without any weapons. I hope you've enjoyed and understood this lesson. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home. God bless.